This is a 2012 Ford Escape, and we are removing the multifunction switch. First thing we need to do is take this panel right here, unclick that, and just leave it just like that, right there. It's connected on the bottom, right there. That's out of our way right there. Next, we need to remove these three 5.5 millimeter headed screws here, here, and right here that hold the column covers together. All three screws are removed from the column covers so we can separate them. Take the top one, move that out of the way. Bottom column cover is out of the way so we can get at our switch. The switch is held on by two T20 headed screws, one right here and one right here. We got to remove those now. Now both screws have been removed so we can slide out our switch. Now we can get at our electrical connector. There's a little lock on the connector. We'll just push that and slide it right out like that. So that's all there is to removing a multifunction switch from your Ford Escape.